Good morning everyone. This is Pavani. Hope everyone is fine. Yes, in the previous session I have completed the storied house part 2 continuation. Today we are going to have only half of the part. I have completed part 2. Okay. So let us see the remaining part of the lesson. Kalekar Bapu masters powerful voice Rosa. Take to heart the sweet advice of Bhimaraya and bow down to Buddha for the emancipation of the whole world. Emancipation means what? Free from slavery. Okay, what is the meaning of emancipation? Free from slavery. I fly to the refuge of Lord Buddha. I fly to the refuge of faith. I fly to the refuge of faithful. The song rent the air, filling it with joy. And then the undreamt of incident took place. Okay, this was happened, and then up to here we have completed. Okay, in the previous class. Now see here, Bayaji's new house had caught fire from all the sides. So actually Bayaji, with a lot of excitement, he has built the house, and as they are facing a lot of problem to live a big family in the small house, it is not comfortable for them. With all the money whatever he got after his retirement, he decided to build a house. And apart from all these, like what all the village people, they said that you should not build a house here. Here we are the people, we have to build a house, but you are untouchable, you cannot. Even though at last he built one storied house. Okay, then now Bayaji's new house had caught fire from all the sides. It had suddenly flared up. Flared up means what? Flame. What is the meaning of flared here? Flame. Okay, flared means what? Flame. Okay, the meaning of flared is what? Flame. So it was flamed up. Bayaji's new house had caught fire from all the sides. It had suddenly flared up. The women folk in the front veranda screamed in confusion. So the women folk, the folk dancers, all of them have come. No, all the people, they are singing. Different troops have come to perform the dance and also singing. So now the women, those who were in the veranda, in confusion, suddenly it was burned. The guests stood up swiftly. Swiftly means in a fast manner they stood up. Okay, and began to pull out the women like a herd of cattle. So the women are in the veranda now. There it was burned. So immediately the people, those who are out, they were dragging outside. Okay, they were dragging as if like women, like a herd of cattle. Herd of cattle, how it will be? Like that they were dragging them. Then Bayaji was frantic. He ran around crying, my house, my storied house, it's on fire. So now Bayaji was shouting, he was screaming. Okay, he was crying because with lot of like what happiness he has built a house, but this has happened. My enemy has taken revenge on me. So what he is telling, my enemy has taken revenge on me. Because of that he burnt it. He entered the roaring flames crying, my house, my house. He climbed up, pulled the pictures of Buddha and Baba Saheb from the walls and hurled them down. So immediately he kept Baba Saheb and Ambedkar pictures, he kept Buddha. So immediately he took those pictures. As he was about to come down the stairs, it crumbled down in flames. So once when he was about to come from the staircase, what happened? It crumbled, it fall apart. Crumbled means what? Fall apart. Okay, now what happened? People pulled up water from a nearby well to put the dreadful fire. It could not be easily contained. Immediately what happened? The people, they have taken the water, okay, to throw it on that, okay, where the fire is there. Then now what happened? Bayaji jumped down, quick jump, people shouted. Then immediately they were calling. Why? Because he was on the staircase and it fell down. Okay, then immediately the people are calling, Bayaji, come on, jump. Like that they were shouting. Women and the children were crying and screaming. All the women and the children, they were crying and screaming, shouting. Okay, now that the staircase had collapsed, no one could go up. Scorched in the flames, Bayaji ran around like a trapped creature, howling all the time, my house, my house. Now what happened? At last when he was about to come, it collapsed completely. The staircase collapsed and no one can go and help the Bayaji now. No one can go and help Bayaji because scorched in flames. Bayaji ran around like a trapped creature, he ran around howling, okay, like shouting, my house, my house. Then the upper story itself came down with a crash, and along with With it, Bayaji, with a resounding thud, people pulled him out. Thud means what? A dull sound. Now what happened? Even the story also, the building is also collapsing. It is about to fall down. Then Bayaji was burnt all over. He was still wailing, my house. So even though he was burnt, he was crying. Wailing means what? Crying extremely. Okay, even though he was burnt, he was crying for his house. My house, my house. Bayaji's children encircled him and cried their hearts out. So Bayaji's children, they have come around him. Father, you have burnt like this. Still why you're crying, my house, my house. Leave it off. Leave it off, like that they were saying. The guests were busy putting out the fire. So putting out the fire means what? Now with the water, they are with the water, like what? The gushing water, they are putting on the fire, so that what happens? The fire calms down. Okay, the fire will go off. Then now see here. All Bayaji's hopes had been reduced to ashes. Now what happened? He had a lot of hope that they are going to live in a beautiful house. But everything has come to what? Ashes. What was the use of putting out the fire now? So what he thought? What was that putting out the fire now? Bayaji was badly burnt and he was in a great agony. Agony means what? Pain. Okay. He asked for the water all the time. As his eyes began to roll in his head, his eldest son moved closer, gulped down the sorrow that was surging in his throat and asked, Nana, what's your last wish? Now what happened? So he was like, what now? Completely, Bayaji was in a great confusion, and he was not talking with anyone about the house, but he was in a, like what, he is not talking anything, just he was saying, my house, my house. Seeing that situation, his elder son has come to him. Father, what is your last wish? Nana, what is your last wish? Sons, I want you to build a storied house. So what he said, I want you to build a storied house. The people, we have struggled a lot and we have built a house, but those people are not good. Because of that, they have taken revenge on us. They have collapsed our building. So I want you to build a storied house, he said. I have no other wish. I don't have any other wish except that. With these words, his head collapsed like the storied house. Bayaji was quiet and the fire too had calmed down. So he said like that and he collapsed. Bayaji's mother wept bitterly. Okay, Bayaji's mother, she was crying. Your father passed away without giving me a burial. At least your hand should have pushed the dust over my dead body. Bayaji, speak to me. She was mad with the grief. Now what happened? See, I lost my son. Okay, because of you, my son thought that he has to build a house. He has built a house, but because of those stupid people, now I lost my son. Now you, at least you people, actually he has to bury me. When I die, my son has to bury me. But now my son is not there. At least you should bury me and you have to fulfill his desire. Who said? Grandmother said to children. Okay. Now then, Bayaji's wife was sobbing. Sobbing means she was crying bitterly, her heart out, crying repeatedly. Who's done this evil to? Let the house burn to cinders. Cinders means what? Partially burn. Okay, cinders means what? Partially burn. Means half of the part. Save my husband first. The entire family was shattered by the calamity. The spirits of all the men were dampened like a cooking fire on which water has been poured. Okay, so now the entire family was shattered by calamity. So now what happened? Just it's like a calamity, no? The spirits of all the men were dampened. Dampened means what? Made sad. Everyone were they are feeling very sad. Why? Because it was a great function they had. They enjoyed a lot, and at last moment, that is a sad situation they have faced. For that, everyone felt very sad. In the morning, the village officers and the witness visited the place to record the facts of the accident. In the morning, what happened? The people have come, okay, to witness. The people, those who have attended to the function, they are the witness. Okay, they said what had happened. Now, the people have come to record the facts of that incident. Bayaji's death was the result of an accident due to Petromax flare-up was their conclusion. So, what they said? It is a Petromax flare-up. Okay, because of the flame. Okay, because of the flame, this all happened like that. They said, okay, it is just because of the flame, the smoke has gone inside. Because of that, he was dead. They have concluded like that. The house was burning before the housewarming ceremony was over, and the Bayaji was in ashes in the cemetery instead of enjoying the comforts of the retired life. So actually, the house they have built in a very beautiful manner. they had a great function, and also actually the Bayaji has to live his after his retirement he has to lead a good life, but now he is in the cemetery. He is in the cemetery means he is in the burial ground. Okay, so now after the funeral, people returned hanging their heads. All of them were pained at heart to think that having come to celebrate the housewarming, they had the misfortune to attend the funeral of the host. Actually, all the family members, relatives, what they felt, we have come to attend the housewarming ceremony, but this misfortune happened. We have attended the cemetery of the host. Okay, then host nothing but here the guest who was invited. Okay. Then all were sitting in a sullen mood. Sullen mood means what? Gloomy. Okay, the meaning of sullen is what? Gloomy mood in the pandal when Bayaji's eldest son came out with 3 or 4 baskets, a spade, a pickaxe and a hoe. He outlined a square with pickaxe and began to dig. So what is the meaning of pickaxe? Pickaxe means what? Heavy iron tool with a wooden handle. Heavy iron tool with a wooden handle. And hoe means it is an agricultural tool consisting of a long handle with a flat blade. Okay. So he outlined a square with a pickaxe and began to dig. Now what happened? Bayaji's eldest son, he brought three or four baskets of spade, all the instruments to dig the soil. Okay. Then now the eldest son was digging, the second was gathering the earth with his spade, and the others were lifting it away in the baskets. So the elder one was digging, the second one was gathering all the mud, and the third and the others were lifting in the heavy baskets. Everything they are putting and they are carrying it. The guests asked in amazement, "Children, you are in mourning. What's this you are doing? Now you are in the sad situation. What you are carrying this spade and hoe and what you all are doing?" Like that, relatives asked. Then our father's soul cannot rest in peace unless we do this. Okay. My father's last wish is to build a storied house. Unless we do this, my father's soul will not rest in peace. Then, but what is it that you are doing? We are starting on a house. Not one with concealed first floor, but a regular 2-storied house, replied the eldest son of Bayaji. Not 1-storied house. Because of those people, my father has built 1-storied house, but not the 1-storied house. We are going to build the 2-storied house, he said, replied the eldest son of Bayaji. And the 6 brothers resumed with determination. Everyone, okay, the 6 of them have taken it like a challenge, okay, and they have decided strongly that my father's wish we have to fulfill. The work of digging the foundation of 2-storied house. They have started to foundation of a 2-storied house. They have started the digging to build a 2-storied house. See how good the sons are. Even though his father was dead, what his father's last wish they have asked, and immediately they are within no time. Okay, once when the father was dead, they are not in the mourning situation, but they have started their work. And when the people when the relatives asked them why you were doing so, what did he give the answer? That unless we build a house, our father's soul will not rest in peace. So see here, people, how the people are very cruel, very wicked people they are. See here, if the people are untouchable, they shouldn't have a house. They cannot construct a house for them. See, he was an employee. He has taken retirement from his service and he came to his native place, to the village, to build a house. But how these people have done, what these people have done, okay, if you are untouchables, you cannot build a house like us. So if at all, if you want to build a simple house with the 3 portions, you can build, but not a storied building like us. If at all, if you build, no one will give respect to us. In that way, they said something, and at last they have burned the house. That means all the happy moments, okay, they have taken from his father. He felt very happy when he has constructed a new house, and with the grand feast he has given to his family members, he was happy. That happiness was within no time, it was taken by the village people. Okay, village people, nothing but the head, okay, the Brahmin, okay, these people, Bujaba. These are the people, they have they have burned the house. Okay, but immediately what the sons have done, they have decided to fulfill the father's desire. What is the desire? To build a storied house. Again they are constructing, they laid a foundation for the storied house, not 1-storied but 2-storied house. Okay, so I hope everyone have understood the lesson. A person should not be greedy. When they have, they should not think that only we should have, others should not have. It's not the good attitude. Okay, so this is the lesson. I hope everyone have understood. Once go through part 1 and part 2 continuously. After reading part 1, you read part 2 so that you will get a clear understanding. Hope everyone have understood. Thank you everyone.